Greetings! Today I'm going to be showing you how you can host your Unity WebGL game on GitHub pages for free. Let's get right into it. So firstly, you want to go to github.com and make sure you're signed in. Then you want to click on New to make a new repository. We do not need a template. We then need to give the repository a name. We do not need to give it a description. The repository needs to be public because you need to be a paying member of GitHub to use GitHub pages on a private repo. We don't need a git ignore, and we don't need a license. Then we click on Create Repository. The next step is, we want to make sure we're on the Code tab up here. Then we want to clone our repo. You can drag and drop files into the web browser, but there is a very low file size restriction on each file. If we clone the repo and push like we would with our code, we can upload files of up to 100 megabytes each. So you can either copy the HTTPS clone URL, you can copy and paste the SSH clone URL, or you can click on Setup in Desktop. So I'm going to click on HTTPS and then click on the copy button. Now the next step is, you can use any version control software you want, but I'll be using GitHub Desktop in this tutorial. There'll also be a link in the description below to download it if you want to follow along. So once you've copied the clone URL, go into the software. Now, once you've opened up GitHub Desktop, you want to go up to File. Then you want to click on Clone Repository. Then for the URL, you want to right click and click on Paste, to paste in the URL for the repo you want to clone. You can also pick a path if you want to. Then click on Clone. Once you've cloned the repo, you now need to put your files in there. So make sure you're on the Changes tab, and then click on Show in Explorer over here. This will open up the folder where your Git repo is on your computer. Then what you want to do is, in the Windows File Explorer, you want to find where your Unity WebGL game is, and you want to find the index.html file. Then you want to drag to select everything, and then right click and click on Copy, or you can use Ctrl+C. Then go to the folder where your repo is, right click, click on Paste, or you can use Ctrl+V. And now we've added all of the files for our WebGL game into the repo. Now if we go back to GitHub Desktop, we've got a bunch of changes, which is our entire game. We'll give our commit a message, added game. We'll click on commit. Once we've committed it, we can then click on publish branch. And once we've pushed it up, we can now go back to GitHub on our web browser. Then you want to refresh the web page. And now you'll see we have our WebGL game pushed up onto GitHub. So now we want to go to Settings. And then we want to go to Pages. And in the branch section, we want to click on the None, and then we want to click on Main. You can select a folder if you want to, but we'll keep it on root for now. Then click on Save. Once you've waited a few minutes, you now want to test out your WebGL game in the web browser. So open up a new tab. And this is what you want to do. You want to do https / then your GitHub username. Then you do .github.io, then / then the name of the repo that you've set up GitHub pages for. And once you've done that, press the Enter key. And your Unity WebGL game will be playing on the web browser, and it's hosted on GitHub, so you can share a link with anyone you want to play the game. There are a couple of things to keep in mind. GitHub Pages doesn't support Git LFS, so each individual file in your game needs to be below 100 megabytes. Also, there is a 1 gigabyte limit for free GitHub pages. So just keep that in mind. When you're putting up your game, a small web game is going to be just fine. So thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.